Now the next question is the marks out of 100 obtained by a group of students in a science test are 85, 76, 90, 85, 39, 48, 56, 95, 81 and 75. Find the highest and the lowest marks obtained by the students, and then we have to find range of the marks obtained, and finally we have to find mean marks obtained by the group. Now in this question, data is already given to us. We have to find range, highest value, lowest value and mean. Now first of all, let's organize this unorganized data. Let's write it in ascending order. For that, first we will write the minimum marks, that will be 39, and then 48, and then 56. After that we will have 75, and then 76, and then we will have 81, and then 85. It will come two times, as it is appearing two times in the given data. And after 85 we will have 90, and then finally 95. So this is the organized data. We have written all the marks in ascending order. Now from here we can easily tell answer for the first question. The first question is asking highest and the lowest marks. Now as we can see, the highest marks will be 95. As we can see here in the data, it is 95 marks. Now the second question is lowest marks. So the lowest marks will be equal to 39. As we can see here from the data, it is 39. So answer for it will be 39. Now in the second question, we have to find range of this marks obtained. So as we know, range is equal to highest observation, or we can say here highest marks minus lowest marks. We have already we already know highest marks is 95 and lowest marks is 39. So range will be equal to 95 minus 39. Now by simplifying this, we will get 56. Therefore range of this data is 56. Now we have to find mean of this data. The third question here is finding mean. Now as we know, mean is equal to sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. So here it will become total marks obtained by all the students divided by number of students here. Now we can count. This data is for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 students. So here it will be total marks divided by number of students. Now by finding this sum, we will get 730 divided by 10. Now by simplifying this, we will get mean marks to be 73. So 73 will be the final answer for the third question. So in this question, one unorganized data was given to us. We have organized this data and we have solved these questions given here. Now let's see the next question. The next question here is the enrollments in a school during 6 consecutive years was as follows: 1555, 1670, 1750, 2013, 2540, 2820. All these are the number of enrollments in 6 consecutive years. we have to find mean enrollment of the school for this period. That is, we have to find mean of this data. Now as we know, mean is equal to sum of observations, that will be total enrollments. In this case, divided by number of observations, that will be number of years here. Now as we can see, this data is for 6 consecutive years, so number of years will be 6. Now total enrollments will be 1555 plus 1670 plus 1750 plus 2013 plus 2540 plus 2820. This will be divided by 6. Now by simplifying this, by adding all the numbers in the numerator, we will get 12,348 divided by 6. Now by simplifying this further, we will get 2058. So the mean enrollment of the school for this period will be 2058. Now let's move to the next question. The question here is, the rainfall in millimeters in a city on 7 days of a certain week was recorded as follows. Days are given here and rainfall in millimeters is also given here. First of all, we have to find range of the rainfall in the above data. That is, we have to find range of this data. Now as we know, range is equal to highest observation or the highest value of the data minus lowest observation or the lowest value of the data. Now from the data, as we can see, the highest observation is 20.5. So it will become 20.5 minus lowest observation. The lowest observation here is 0.0. So it will be 20.5 minus 0. Therefore, range of this data will be 20.5. And then we have to find mean of the data, or we can say find the mean rainfall for the week. Now as we know, mean is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. So this will be equal to 0 plus 12.2 plus 2.1 plus 0 plus 20.5 plus 5.5 plus 1 divided by number of observations. So this data is for 7 days of a week, so it will be 7 here. Now by finding the sum and dividing it by 7, we will get the mean. The sum here will be 41.3. This will be divided by 7. Now by simplifying this further, we will get 5.9. Therefore, mean rainfall for the week is 5.9 mm. And at the last, we have to tell on how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall. Now as we can see from the data, number of observations which are less than 5.9 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So therefore on 5 days rainfall was less than the mean rainfall? So answer for this question will be 5 days. Now let's see the last question of this video. The question here is, the heights of 10 girls were measured in centimeters and the result are as follows: 135, 150, 139, 128, 151, 132, 146, 149, 143 and 141. We have to find what is the height of the tallest girl, what is the height of the shortest girl, what is the range of the data, what is the mean height of the girls, and then we have to tell how many girls have heights more than the mean height. Now let's organize this unorganized data. Let's write this data in ascending order. Now the ascending order of this data will be 128, 132, and then we will have 135, and then 139, after that 141, 143, 146, 149, 150, and then we will have 151. So this is the organized form of this unorganized data. Now from this data or from this organized form, we can easily answer the first question, which is, what is the height of the tallest girl? So answer for this question will be 151 centimeter, as this data is given in centimeters. So first answer will be 151. Now the second question here is, what is the height of the shortest girl? So it will be the minimum value of the data. As we can see from the organized form of the data, it will be 128 centimeters. And then we will have the third question, which is, what is the range of the data? Now as we know, range of the data is highest value or the highest observation minus lowest observation. So the highest observation minus lowest observation here will be 151 minus 128. Now by simplifying this, we will get 23. So range of this data is 23. Now let's see the fourth part of this question. It is, what is the mean height of the girls? So that is, we have to find mean of the given data. Now as we know, mean is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. So this will be equal to sum of all the heights here. So it will be 128 plus 132 plus 135 plus 139 plus 141 plus 143 plus 146 plus 149 plus 150 plus 151, and this will be divided by number of observations. So these are the heights of 10 girls. So number of observations will be 10 here. Now the sum of the numerator here will be 1414. This will be divided by 10. Now by simplifying this, we will get 141.4. So mean of the data is 141.4. Now let's see the last part of the question. It is, how many girls have heights more than the mean height? Now as we have seen, the mean height or the mean of the data was 141.4. So the number of values or the heights which are less than 141.4 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So answer for this question will be 5.